Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video I will be teaching that how you can deploy a React app with Vercel service, deployment service, and we can also connect an GitHub hook with the Vercel deployment service, right? So this will be a quick introduction that how the CI/CD works on, right? So without further delay, let's quickly create our React app, and then we will be initializing the git init command, and after that we will be going ahead with the repository and then setting up the repository, and lastly we'll be creating a pipeline from git to the Vercel. Okay, makes sense. So without further ado, let's quickly go to the Chrome and let's make it vercel.com. Okay, let's make it to this one, Vercel hosting price. And then I will be add a project. So this is how it's done, right? So you have to connect the git account. So before that, let's go to the terminal. Let's fire the terminal and let's go to the desktop and then give dir react, sorry, let's not go there. Let's set the npx create react app demo Vercel. Yeah, right. So then I will go into the directory. Okay, so I have to open the VS Code separately actually. So this is the VS Code. Open the folder, go to desktop, and that's the folder, right? So that's the whole React app that what we have got, right? And these are the src and so and so. Now let's keep this thing aside for a quick check. Now let's go to git status. Okay, so git init. So this is initialized as a repo. So let's now wait. And now let's go to our GitHub. Okay, and let's now create a repository. So demo Vercel deploy ReactJS. Okay, now I'm just making it public for now. That's what we are done. Now which this is done, now we're just committing the changes. So let's copy this, do that. So git branch minus the main, copy this, remote origin, push all the things. So then I can type git status in order to check this. Now let's refresh this. Okay, so the whole React app is now there, right? Just created 1 minute ago. All right, and that's the same thing which we have seen in the VS Code, right? After this thing, let's do one check. That go to the terminal and type npm start. Yeah, that's one of the common errors. Let me just Google this thing up. Okay, let's try this. Let's run it. And now I guess it's working fine. Yeah. And so that's the localhost at which my React app is running now, right? So let's go to the terminal. Let's close this thing up. Okay. Now go to this one. So click on the GitHub add account. Give the access. Let me check my mobile for the dual authentication. Okay. 723. There you go. And that's the repo. So I will click on import. Root directory deployment, create a root directory deployment environment. So we don't want any kind of environment variables, it's just a scratch product, right? That's all. So it's queuing the deployment and it will be ready in any of the moment. So let's check the build logs. Cannot solve, add multiple the root. What's that? npm error could not resolved. Spent 7 lines. React. What's this? We'll copy this. Yeah, we just changed one of the settings. Okay, so that's all. Continue to dashboard, and I will click on visit, and this should pop up our ReactJS app. Yep, so now it's done. Actually what I have done is that I have just downgraded the system version, right? From this I have just downgraded to this one, 18.2. okay, and I have installed it and I have just repushed everything in Git, and now it's successfully deployed. So I will be continuing to the dashboard, and let me close all this and I will just visit it. And this is the same thing what we are seeing in the Git, right? So now what we'll be doing here is that we'll be going to our VS Code, which is this. I will be opening up the src, the app.json, and I will be taking a look at this particular line. Okay, so here I will be just I don't know, like new para here. Hello, this is an v2 version which is pushed from laptop to Vercel, the CI/CD part. So I will just save it and I will go back to the command and I will do type git status. So git add git status git commit new code v2 git push --all, And that's all. So once we'll be going to this one, so refresh it. So that's still the same. Second. Also reload it. Oh, this is in building state, right? Okay, so this is currently in building. Yeah, so build log is done, deployment summary, and so like whatsoever, right? So I will be going and refreshing this, and you can check that this is the same thing which I have written in the VS Code part. Okay, cool. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.